Hi, this is Mike Volkov. This is just a short review of the next project. I will soon start on the 72 scale Academy FA-18F kit. The Academy kit also has very nice decals of the Red Rippers and Black Knight Squadron's markings, but I won't be using those. This aircraft will wear the Diamondbacks markings. The decals are from Taiwan, very high quality, cartograph printing. The surface of the Academy Hornet is very nice. The panel lines and rivets are thin and detailed. You can build a very nice model just out of the box, but I'm going to use some aftermarket accessories. The cockpit has the Quinta Studio decals, which look amazing. I bought the photo-etched metal angle of attack probe and 3D printed base from Master. I bought a resin jet exhaust from the Ukrainian company ResKit. It contains more details of the engine than the Academy part. Everything is ready for an exciting Hornet build. I hope you'll follow on YouTube.